Hi everyone, welcome back to another Wednesday Coding Minds Project web conference. And as usual, the hosts for tonight are Angel, Terrence, and I. So today's presenter is Jordan Chen, and Jordan is a sophomore at Northwood High School. And so his project is about painting programs. So I'm sure that when we were all kids, we loved to play around or draw scribbles in MS Paint. And I personally love to draw, and there's actually a variety of drawing programs today that you could pick from to create your artwork. So Jordan noticed that there were many flaws with MS Paint, so he decided to make his own drawing program from scratch and improve and add features. So without further delay, Jordan, whenever you're ready, you can share your screen and begin.
So hello, my name is Jordan. I made my project is the painting tool. It's just a simple painting tool. You could paint stuff. Yeah. So as she explained, I'm a Northwood High sophomore at Northwood High School. I'm 15 years old, and I've taken Python 1 and 2 with Coding Academy, and I'm currently taking AI 1. So okay, I spent 2 lessons making this. I came up with this idea when my coding teacher taught me to use buttons on one of our last lessons before working on the project, and I thought that was really cool. I just wanted to expand on that. So the code I use for this project is very simple. It's broken up into 5 parts, but basically I use Python Turtle. Python Turtle is just it's a simple drawing thing you could use with code. And to make the drawing tool, I use the turtle to draw an outline, so you know where to click to change colors. And I use turtle to make the buttons, when you click it actually works. So here's the simple coding outline. So this just makes it so there's a buttons that you can see. So and this makes it so it works. So here basically what it means is that it just makes a button that's 2 by 2. It's a square. The color is what is it? The outline of it's gray, and the button color itself is it's blue, and this is just the location of the button. And this makes the button actually work. So here you have to find the x-axis and the y-axis of where this is, and then it will basically just go on top of it. So when it clicks, it goes it will change it to this color. And the rest here, this is just setting up the turtle, setting up the screen and everything, and this just makes it so it works. This drawing tool has it's very simple. It's just it has different colors. I think it has 5. You could change the thickness. I think it's very thick and normal size. And then eraser. The eraser is just it's just the color white. It could basically cover the other drawings. So here's a tutorial. Oh, there's 4 colors. Okay. So when you click on these, it will change the color, and what is it? I think this changes the thickness, so it will make it really thick. And this one changes it, so it will go. It's the same. It will change back to this basically. And this is basically the eraser. It's white. When you click on it, and you click, it will cover it. So this how it works is that when you start here, and when you click on it, it will make a line. I try to make it so you could drag it to, so you have to, when you click, it only draws when you click, but the code was too complicated, so I settled with this. And when you click on this, once it clicks on it, you could click out, and then it changes the thickness, and same with when you click on the colors. So some challenges while making this is making a drag and draw. As you can see, I did not succeed, so I just settle on making it so when you click, it goes there. And also another challenge was getting the button in the right X and Y axes. So as you can see here, you have to make it so it perfectly matches here, or when you click it, nothing would happen to the shape. And then some future developments, it would be making the line drag and draw, and having more color options. So like maybe like a color wheel.
Okay, so here's just another rundown of the code. This is to set it up. When you click, you go to the X and Y coordinates. Here's just to make the visible button. So yeah, I already explained it, but when it goes down, you just subtract by 50. So 50, and then the button will go down by 50 on the y-axis. And then yeah, you just gotta copy and paste it. It's very simple. You just change the color on the inside. This makes it so when you click it, it changes the color. Everything else is the same except down here. This one, it changes the thickness. It changes the pen size to 10 when you click on it. And this one, it changes back to normal. And this one's the eraser, which is basically just the color white. Okay, and then when you run it, it's just this. When you click it, it changes the color to a different color. I believe, yeah, different colors. This changes, yeah, this changes to very thick, and this changes it back to skinny. This and then this changes to eraser, and then you could just erase stuff. You could like use this, I don't know, like draw simple shapes. Like here's like a square.
Cool. Okay. So now let's have Q&A. Okay. So put your questions in the chat, or you can say it out loud.
I didn't hear what you just repeated.
Okay. We're gonna move on to question and answer. So they're going to be typing their questions in the chat or saying it out loud. Jet asks, can you install this app anywhere?
It's not an app. It's just very simple code. I could share with you the code, and you could just copy and paste it to your own repo, and you could try it out. But it's not an app. Yeah, I could just make it.
Matt, I'm not sure if you missed it, but he just showed the demo. I think he's sending the link right now, so you can try it out on your own.
And then there's also hashtags, so you can see what it means. There's comments, create.
Okay, so for your program, is there a way where you select the color and then you move the mouse to the blank area and then draw
Then
out?
it stop. Yeah. Wait. What's the question again?
So I see that on your demo, once your mouse selects the color, it connects the line in a way.
Oh yeah, we tried to fixing that, but it was very frustrating to fix that because nothing basically worked. We tried to make it so that when it goes over there, the pen goes up, but we spent like 40 minutes on just doing that, but it didn't work. We couldn't find a solution to that. I guess that would be something to put in future improvements.
Okay, good luck with that.
Yeah.
Could you explain one more time, like how they paste the code into REPL? I think you're muted.
Oh, okay. Okay. So you go to Zoom chat, you click the paste bin thing, and this should pop up. Okay, so you just go to your REPL. If you don't have a REPL, it's free. No, not Python. Make it so it's Python with turtle right here. This one. Name it whatever you want and just create it. And just copy and paste this. There's also comments next to it, so if you need, like, if you don't know what it means, it just tells you what it is, and then boom, you can just run it right here. Oh, okay, yeah, but yeah.
How did you come up with this idea?
I mean, I explained at the beginning, but basically my teacher was teaching us buttons, and I thought that was really cool, and I just wanted to find like a new way to add to it, basically.
Someone asked, does the REPL have to be a specific version?
I'm not sure because I didn't make it in I'm not sure because I didn't make it in REPL. I made it in Visual Studios, so I'm not sure.
Yeah, well, Jet asked, do you need to be in a version to code it? Doesn't have to be REPL, like in general.
Oh, do you need to be a version? What is? I mean, I don't really understand what that means. Like the app version.
I don't think there's a version on REPL, just like REPL in general.
Yeah. I mean, if you want to download Visual Studios, you could just here. If you want to download Visual Studios, you could download it there.
So did you use this program as a competition?
Oh no, it was for my Python 2 final project. I just did this.
Can you save your work or no?
On what?
On your project? Like after you finish drawing, can you like save your work?
No.
And do you think it's possible, I know like many drawing programs have like the Control-C, Control-V, like you're able to use that in the program?
I think I could add it if I have more time. I could maybe do like something like on key or something, but not in this version though.
Okay, well, could you explain like a little bit how you would go about doing that?
Let's see. I would what is it? So we learned in Python, I think 2 or 1. Let me remember what it is. Python. Okay, I don't use this. Okay, well, let me just explain it. In one of the Python classes, our teacher told us to make like a what is it? Like a moving program where we have to like move the thing manually. I forgot the code for it, but I'm pretty sure it was like you gotta bind the keys to the REPL and you gotta set it, and then you could bind the keys to like up, down, right, left, and then you would go up, down, right, left. But I'm not sure if I remember how to do it because it's been like 2 months since I've done that.
So when you were creating the program, how did you import the colors? Or where did you get it from?
Oh, import the colors. Okay, so I got all the colors from it's called HTML color picker, I think it's called. Yeah, it's HTML color picker. You include the hashtags, and yeah, you could just search up HTML color picker on Google. Or you could just do, if it's a basic color like blue, red, gray, or something, I think Python will just recognize that it's the color, so you don't even have to use that. But if you want a custom color, you could use that. Wait, what? What did you say?
Do you have like a hobby of like drawing? Like, do you draw a lot?
No.
Okay.
I just saw that. I just saw buttons and I said I want to like do more of it. I mean, it was fun making the project. It was just the coordinates, like the X and Y coordinates, were annoying because you didn't understand where to put it.
So for your project, did you have to like calculate the size of like the buttons or like something using pixels? Or
It goes by width and length, and you could just set it to like, I think I set it to 2 and by 2, but that's not the hard part. The hard part is putting the buttons to where you want on the X and on the actual program.
If not, I guess we can end it here today. Jet asked a lot of questions. Good job, Jet.
Before you guys go, I sent our ads in the chat for Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. You guys can go check that out too. That's it for tonight's Coding Minds project presentation. Good job on this project. Tune in next week for another Coding Minds conference, and we will see you then. We want to thank you on behalf of Coding Minds and have a great evening. Bye, everyone.
Bye, guys.
Thank you. Good night.